Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the alert slider on the left edge and unlocking the phone. You need direct access before changing modes. Once done, open Settings Sound and Vibration to observe current behavior while you move the slider. Move the slider one notch to test ring, one notch to vibrate, and fully to silent. This confirms tactile feedback and on-screen icons. You do this first, so subsequent customizations map to the correct physical positions and avoid confusion later. Now you customize what each position does. Go to Settings Alert slider or buttons and tap each mode to edit. You can allow priority calls, repeat callers, or alarms to bypass silent. Set those exceptions intentionally so important alerts still reach you. Next, make sure Do Not Disturb schedules align with the slider. Otherwise, automatic quiet hours may conflict with manual positioning. Finally, test by placing the slider in each position and triggering an alarm or call to verify your chosen exceptions behave as expected. Finish by testing. Call the phone, trigger an alarm, and send a message so you confirm behavior in every mode. If the slider doesn't change modes or shows inconsistent icons, reboot the phone first, then carefully inspect the gap for debris and clean gently. If problems persist, reset sound and vibration settings to defaults before escalating. For persistent hardware faults, stiff movement or no response, contact Oneplus support or an authorized repair center to avoid voiding warranty and back up your data beforehand.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.